This week we'll be drawing a fairy house. I got a special gift from my niece who put in a request also. And the request is to create a fairy house. So after checking out our fairy here and all of her accessories that were included, trying to get an idea of what she might be like, where she wants to live, I also looked at some other artist creations of what they think a fairy house would look like. So I especially compared what fairy houses look like in different parts of the world, like Germany versus Japan versus Indonesia, and try to see the differences there and figure out what I liked about all those different things and what our fairy might like. So I have all these things in mind, and we're just going to make it up as we go. So I'm going to start out by drawing a fairy house for this fairy. So let's put her and her things away and start our project. So let's start with a big circle, but we got to leave room on either side. Then I'm going to flatten the bottom. I want my door to be not in the middle, but kind of off to the side. So I'm going to make it the same thing. So a circle that overlaps that line. And then I'm going to put maybe two little windows. So another circle, another circle. And this doesn't really look like much yet. So we've got the basic stuff going on here. I want to figure out how we want to do the roof. I like to do something with that kind of a point. So let's shape up this stuff first, and that'll give me a better idea of what how the top should look to match. Okay. I've seen these cool doors. I want to do one like it, so I'm going to make this a little bit pointy. I'm going to add a point up there. And then outline that. Now, when you're drawing these lines, the key is don't let them touch yet. Leaf. Then I'm going to make a circle inside of a circle for both of these. Now, I don't usually like to get too detailed until I've got the whole shape, but this is a little different because we're still kind of deciding what the style of our fairy house is. So we can make it, it's rounded, we can make it look like a fruit. A pumpkin might be fun, or, this is tough. Okay, I think I'd like to do the mushroom. I've always loved mushroom stuff. Maybe that has to do with Mario. And mushrooms are very popular right now, so that works out. Okay, now I'm gonna do here, pay attention. So I'm gonna draw this lightly because that's gonna change. It's not gonna be totally straight. I'm gonna curve that around. So this is gonna sit like a hat up here. Okay, and let's go whoop, big swoop there. Now, now I'm going to gonna change this shape a little bit. Okay, and here's where I'm gonna change things up a bit. I'm gonna make this a little curvy, like a hat. Okay, cool. And I'd like to give it some lines, kind of like a tree. I love adding the details. Let's put a little chimney coming off here, about like that. A little puff of smoke. There's a fire going. And we'll add some little flower bushes in the front. And a little stone path. Ta-da! Okay, and now that it's done, you can outline it in pen, color pencil, crayon, marker, whatever you have, if you want to do that, or leave it as pencil and just color it in. Thanks for joining me again and drawing along. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I'll have some more drawings to share with you soon, and if you come back in a couple days, I'll be showing a time-lapse video of painting a fairy house. If you like what you've made, or if you want help with it, just send me your drawings and I'll take a look. All right, see you soon.